Call him Poop Man.
Okay. Oh, we need him to
Make
be
him
bicolored.
bicolored. Make him bicolored.
There's no pink. This is so sad.
I don't care. Make it red. Oh my god, we made a bi train.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Chugga chugga woo woo. All of them.
Okay. Like he's there right there. He started.
He has the smallpox.
This looks great. Hearts, what hearts? What kind of fun are
Select
these?
his dick.
Yes. He has really long ones.
Yeah.
He has 3 lamp.
No, he has
Crazy.
6.
Oh wow, he has a million.
Give him coal. Give him coal.
Yes, I gave him cool.
Save it. Wait, Chip, send me that. I want to make my own now.
What, the website link?
I want to make my own Chip.
Okay, I'll send you the website.
Yes.
In the meantime, I'm gonna just wait. I gotta save this.
Yeah. Download. Yes. I will make my own train, man, because yes, I haven't been on the site in about a year and a half.
And go.
Wait, can you add cuss words into this? Can you add curse words?
Let me see.
You can't.
The first thing I see.
The fact that you can name a train. Oh, Darren, get the fuck back on.
The first thing I fucking see.
Yes, you can get on. You're being just like Antoine. Wait, type the whole B movie in there. Type the whole B movie script in there. Type the whole B movie. Wait, can you? Can you type the whole B movie script?
Hey, Jonathan. Hold up.
That is hilarious.
You see this, right? Hold on, I don't think we can. Oh, fuck. Wait, Darren, put it on.
Wait. No, I'm gonna start. No, I'm gonna start sharing.
No. Why do you have a red background? Allow the
Freaking
Look at the private chat. The private chat. Bitch lasagna.
Oh my god.
Kunk, you're gonna like this one.
Oh. Out of all of the things you have to put to Sadie Stanley, why not that one girl from Coop and Canny?
Fine.
Wait. How about that one? Wait. That one girl from Coop and Cammy. I forgot her name.
Okay, fine.
Wait, Coop and Cammy. I'm gonna search that up.
Okay, fine. Cool.
Oh, put Rovi Rose Turner. I forgot. That's nice.
What the heck?
Damn.
Wait. How about that one girl from Disney? Put Zendaya.
Barack Hussein Obama.
Out of all of the names, you have to pick that one. Let's go do we can do.
Barack Hussein.
Let's go do we can do. Hi, Mom.
Any suggestions?
Bro, I feel bad for him though. I feel bad for Oscar.
Okay, shout out to Oscar.
Hi, Oscar. God.
According to all the laws of creation, not being add that. See if it lets you add that. Oh,
Hi, John. Hi, Mom. It's just the face, Mom. Hi, Mom. It's just the face.
You're not the source guy.
I need to stop laughing. What are you doing, step bro?
Hold on, let me I'm gonna
Stop.
stop and reshare. Hold on.
No, it's because my
I wanna do
stepsister
just
got
this
stuck
tab.
in the
Hold on.
laundry machine. Shut up.
Your mom is the laundry machine.
My stepsister got stuck in the laundry machine. I'm trying to get her out.
Check the train. She's banana, but we're gonna go into this.
I'm getting her out by using my banana.
I will make it say things.
Thomas
That are
is the
true.
worst engine. He's annoying engine.
Trollmush.
Shut up.
Fun fact: this is James.
Dumb ass.
Tom ass. Trollmush. Oh wait, I have a better idea.
Here's something for Thomas.
Let's see, hold on. Look, I did it. Look.
Oh my god.
God.
Let's go to pbskids.org. Guys, this is not pbskids.org anymore, guys. I'm taking over. Look, I'm taking over, guys. Look.
Oh.
Breaking news! PBS Kids has been taken over.
Damn it, hold on. I need to refresh.
Oh God, it's 7 p.m.
Look at that!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I just realized something.
I can't believe it!
Oh my god.
I'm telling you now, someone better take a screenshot of this once I'm all done, alright? Once I'm all done, someone better take a screenshot. No.
Boy.
No podcast. No podcast.
Oh
There.
my- Oh my god.
There you go.
No.
Nice and sexy.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god. Alright, Bob Saget's taking over, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh my god.
Look at
What? Oh my god. Oh. Okay.
actually I can actually put myself on it here. You guys want to see that?
Oh no.
Breaking news. PBS is drunk.
No, this is ridiculous. How dare you? Hey guys. Guys, look at this. I'm about to be on I'm about to be on a
Hey, remember when PBS Explorer said the PBS's propaganda is lies? PBS, you know.
I'm taking over. One more. Yeah.
This video has been moved into a copyright claim for PBS.
Now I need to replace that AFV logo at the top.
PBS is gonna be mad. I think I'm gonna throw up.
Welcome to the new JFM.
Now we need Super Y in there. Johnny and Fat.